Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good
Morning,
morning.
sir.
Morning,
Good morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Today we have to start with social institutions. Yesterday we had been learned that voluntary
Health
organizations
organizations.
and associations. It's international terminology, NGOs. So what do you think about social institutions? Everyday life we have been using these words, institutions, for example, educational institutions. Terminology. Social interaction, which means social. Institutions, well established structure, pattern of behavior, relationship, accepted as fundamental part of culture. Example, political institutions. Meaning, complex, integrated set of norms organized around the preservation of basic social values. So keywords, norms is an important word. Every social institution, a particular rules and regulations. Example, it may be called as institutional norms. For example, in colleges, college norms. Next, define social institutions. Group of persons banded together. They have purpose, rights and privileges, liberties, and goals, objectives independent from those individual members. So every social institution having more than one groups. For example, educational institutions, faculties, students. So every institution have a purpose. For example, healthcare institution aim to healthcare services. Rights means a right to do some welfare to society or individuals. Then goals, objectives, etc. Types of social institutions. First, familial institutions, governmental, which may be called as political institutions, economic institutions, and religious institutions.
Educational, sir.
Yes, okay, thank you. Educational institutions and religious institutions. functions determining kinship. Example, kinship means concerning neighbors. For example, familial institutions determine kins.
Kins.
Second function in the society, legitimate power. Example, political institutions having power, legitimate power. Legitimate means a rule made by the people and power of people. Then regulating the distribution of goods and services. Which institution regulate goods and services? Economic institution, economic institutions. For transmitting knowledge. Example, educational institutions including colleges, schools, transmitting knowledge. 5. Regulating our relations to supernatural. Which institution having this function? Religious institutions having these functions to regulate supernatural. Then interrelationship of social institutions. Social institutions are just listed here. Familial, marriage is an institution. Already we had been learned in 6th unit, family and marriage.
Yes.
The religious institutions,
Yes.
educational, economic, then welfare institutions, as well as political institutions. So these are all the institutions having various forms. What are the relation between these institutions? Anybody? Yes, every institution try to fulfill a human need. First, relationship. Human need fulfillment. Second, provide unity in human behavior. For example, interrelation, for example, religion, education, family, having norms, try to control human behavior and coordinate it. Then, forms of behavior and transfer from generation to generation. So, which is important relationship. Every, for example, familial institutions transfer familial culture to next generations. Then provide solution to social problems. For example, economic institutions to solve economic problems. Political institutions solve concerning all social issues and try to solve it and control all other institutions. Now, political institution is a top vital. Next, every institution control this society systematically. Next, cooperation among the people, which means unity between and cooperate with people try to unite together. The reason is that every institution having interrelated. For example, family depends on religion and education depends on economic institutions. Just imagine, is if the family always looking the economic institution for getting the money to fulfill their basic needs, then economic institution always look the educational institutions, good professionals to create good productions and innovative economic activities, etc. This way, every institutions having interrelated, interdependent functions. Next section, application of social system and social organization in nursing. First is that this knowledge should be applied into nursing assessment. Nurse should be assessed institutions in the community. If a patient come in the hospital, the nurses assess family of the client, nurses assess the education of the client. So these are the institutional assessment can help us better nursing diagnosis. Good diagnosis can help through client-oriented care, which means institutions-oriented care. For example, family-oriented, education-oriented. In community setting concern, the community setting, community care. For example, empowering the institutions in the communities according to their needs, healthcare needs by the nurses. Then cure. Cure means treatment. So this knowledge helps us client-oriented treatment plan. Then prevention of diseases. Students, as we know that every types of diseases can be prevented by means of the institutional knowledge. That knowledge helps us to formulate prevention strategies. For example, nowadays we have experiencing global pandemic, which is medicine. There is no medicine, only prevention by means of institutional arrangements and strategies. Try to away from and protect from that diseases. Then promotion of health. How to promote health? As a nurse, not only individual level. Individual always depends on institutions. If institution is best, the individuals are enrich and promote their physical health, mental health, and social well-being. Students, in nursing management, these all the concepts are very, very important, including system, organizations, institutions. So these three concepts are these most important for nursing management. So we will learn in fourth year in nursing administration, okay? In nursing administration, that time we will be more detailed about nursing management. That time concerning their institutions as well as organizations, organizational principles, etc. Then practice nursing. In practice nursing, client-oriented services. The nursing education. For example, nurses educated should be know about institutions. For example, college is a nursing educational institution. College is a educational institutions. Then patient health education, client-oriented health education, in community setting as well as in individual concern. Then counseling, client-oriented guidance. The nursing research, this concept should be applied, which is essential for research, problem formulation, hypothesis making, research design, and determine the samples, samples from various institutions maybe. In economic institutions, collect these samples and comparative study between the institutions on particular diseases and particular healthcare issues. So this very important, mainly interpretations, data interpretations in nursing research. Then stress management. Why we have been experiencing this stress in the family? Family is an institution, Every family having a norms. Some families may be unaccepted norms. That time a person is experiencing distress, as well as in other institutions. So rules and regulations is cause of the stress. So individual need to learn about it, try to manage it. Then change management. Changes in families, changes in religion, changes in economic institutions, then changes in government. Need to understand about the institutional changes, and we can tackle that problems and be healthier life and promote health as a nurse. Then we need to apply this knowledge in every nursing specialties. Students, would you read these books, specialty books?
No.
Yes, when you read that books, you can see these all the concept. Okay. So when you read these books, just thought about these all the words are there. Okay. For example, institutions, organizations, systems, social systems. So these are the favorite words in every these nursing specialties. First, maternal health nursing. So study of this social system is very important. Then child health nursing. Then medical surgical nursing. Then mental health nursing. As well as community health nursing. So this is the institutional studies help us provide sustainable nursing services. What do you think about sustainable nursing services? When you see a patient, not only see the patients, every patient came from an institution, having interact with a particular institution or social system. So nurse should be concerned about that all the where patients are interacted, which is the source of disease. So that is help us to provide sustainable nursing services. Okay. Then summary and conclusion. Hence, concepts such as, what are the concepts we had been learned? Students, anybody? 4 important concepts. Can you name anybody? Yes. Social system, social organization, voluntary organizations, then institutions. So 4 concepts is maybe synonymously used. For example, institution, organization are same concept, but studies differently studied we had. Which is help to solve the problems. We are nurses. This knowledge help to solve healthcare problems. The mainly concerning these all the areas affect and influence the diseases. For example, family is a cause root of various illness, food habits in the family, Then other economic institution, occupation, health hazards, occupational hazards cause the diseases. Next, social medicine. Students, we can use these all the concept are used as a medicine. Is a medicine? Yes. The reason is that so these are the every institutions is source of some kind of the illness. So when we modify any unpredictable changes in the institutions and any change which cause the harmful to people need to remove that or modify that changes become pleasant and cure the diseases, prevent the disease as well as promote the health. So these are the concept we can use as a social medicine as a nurse. Then essential to apply to nursing in every aspect. 5 important area of nursing. Can you name what are the 5 important areas of nursing? Care, cure, prevention,
Cure,
Prevention,
promotion,
prevention,
and promotion.
promotion,
Rehabilitation.
and cure.
Prevention, motion,
Rehabilitation. So every area we should be apply this knowledge and conceptualized as a nurse to sustainable nursing services. Then which is used to promote peace and development, sustainable peace. Health is a pillar of peace. When we have this knowledge, can individually and community level, we can promote peace and healthier society. Then review questions. Define following: social system, social organization, democratic organization, authoritarian, voluntary association, role, status, and social institutions. Then short answer questions are listed the following: types of social system, characteristics of social system, elements of social system, elements of social organizations, to characteristics of social organizations, principles of social organizations, types of social organization, functions of voluntary organizations, determinants of social role, types of social status. Then write short notes on system, social organization, difference between democratic and authoritarian, role, status, interrelationship of social institutions, write essay on, define voluntary organization, discuss functions of voluntary health organizations and role of nurse in voluntary health organizations. So these are the important questions. Students, this welcome back, students. Study of social control. Society have been controlled the people. People can control the society. It's a philosophy. Individual behavior. If individual control the behavior, can institutions control? Social norms or institutional norms have been controlled individual behavior as well as social behavior. So this unit we are going to detail about what is mean by social control and what are the means of social control mainly. Formal means, informal means, etc. Introduction. It is an important principle in sociology. Social control formulate the society. What do you think about formulation? Yes, limiting the behavior which become pleasant. Then theories of social control explain about what are the relation between social control and development. Control is very important for social development and sustainable development. Then social control impact on social development as we had been learned. Then health status depends upon social control. If we have control our behavior, can control the social behavior. The individual behavioral control can prevent various diseases as well as social control in whole society. For example, prevent communicable as well as non-communicable. Next. For example, social control contribute to disease control. For example, nowadays, COVID-19, what is the main preventive measure? Control the society, the limitations, social distancing, limitation in the interaction in these families as well as other institutions. So which has been categorically controlled and the global pandemic. So the study of social control is essential to nursing to control the status of the people, mainly health status of the people. Then definition. Pattern of pressure, maintain order. And establish rules. Pressure means some kind of maybe quasi pressure or norms, values like this. Student, this is an important word should be kept in our mind that pressure can help us to maintaining order. Order means discipline in the society. Discipline in the society. Rules mean different mode of rules, formal rules as well as informal rules. For example, in the family having rules, family norms. It's an informal one. Religious norms is an informal one like this. Then definition, according to Rose, system of devices. Society bring its member into conformity with accepted standard of behavior. Keep important words, system of devices, conformity, accepted standards of behavior. Then definition of social control. Having three important things, look at this, three things. The first thing is that public opinion. So every individual should be accepted. Then exercised by society. The people do and interact to control. 3. Exercised for promoting welfare. Student, the welfare is an important component, the control. Why we have to control the society? Main Purpose is that to promote welfare, well-being of people. Then social control versus self-control. What is the difference between social control and self-control? Self-control means individual control themselves. Social control means control the groups. Students, fact is that every group made up of members or individuals. So individual control directly impact on group control or social control. Social control and socialization. A part of socialization through society aim to control behavior. So through socialization we can control the society by means of learning norms from the society and means of social control, etc. Then types of social control. First type, direct control. Example, rewards, punishment. Indirect control. Example, indirectly by means of law. And internal control consists or sense of guilt. Then control through need satisfaction. So which is the nursing concern, this is very important one. This, when satisfy the needs, we can control the individual behavior as well as social behavior. Then classifications are there according to Carl Mannheim. There are two types, direct, indirect. According to Kimball Young, positive and negative. What do you think about positive? Positive means a control can welfare and wish. The negative may be harmful or undesirable. Next, development of concept of social control. In 396 BC, ancient philosophers. Can you name ancient philosophers? Plato, Aristotle. Next is yes. Next is that Camtes, father of sociology, was used a term positive philosophy, which may be called as the humanity. Next term is that dynamic sociology. Dynamic means it has been changed, differences according to L.F. Ward. According to Coley, use the term is that order. So these are different terms, concept developed concerning the social control. Then Williams Folkways. Folkways means control of group behavior. Folk means group, base means behavior. According to Rose, is use the term that super social control. So these are the important terms used. Okay, can you name what are the important terms which is used by different conceptual development? Republic by Plato, positive philosophy by Comtes, dynamic sociology by L.F. Ward, order by human order by Coley, Folkways by Williams, then super social control by Rose. Then agencies of social control. family, neighborhood, religion, school, law, administration, physical force or coercion, public opinion, then propaganda. The nature or characteristics of social control. Nature and characteristics of social control. First, control over individuals. Every social controlled by individuals only. Then, influenced by various ways, by means of formal ways or informal ways. Then, control is essential in society. Without control, we can live in society. Impossible. Social control is have been promote discipline and order. Then promote welfare. Then essential conditions, which means situations or environment, is universal. Everywhere the social control we have been experiencing in workplace, in families, in religious places. Then control by formal, informal. Formal means controlled by definite rules. Informal means spontaneous control, spontaneous way. There is no definite rules. Needs of social control. First, maintain order. Second, establish unity. 3, regulate. Control over individual. Every individual should be behave uniformly and consistently to check cultural maladjustment. So, which is very important. This need, which means adjust the material as well as non-material cultural means. Next, purpose of social control. Self-interest, regulate habits. Bad habits are eliminated by means of social control. Then social benefits, then conformity, solidarity. Next, continuity. Social control can help to this continuous relationship. In other words, may be broken. Then, social control through ages. Modern society through reasons, rationality. Social control in future by voluntary agencies, pressure groups may contribute a lot. Then theories of social control. Next section, theories. So various models, numerous models are available. Here few models I would like to give for examination aspect. First, cultural transmission theory. Norms, values is process of different association, interaction between ourselves and others. Create the learning of values. Transmission means transfer from one person to another, or one community to another, or one generation to another, like this. Next, conflict theory. Students, we know that Karl Marx, father of communism, says that there are two classes only available in our society, ruler and labor. Is quasi power. Conflict between these two groups has to control the society. Then process. and means of social control. First process, informal means, a process means is a continuous process. We should be concerning that in the step-by-step process. Every society have been controlled from the family level. Familial control and religious control, then economic control, then political control. So this is a process. So among these processes having two, informal, formal. Informal means including familial, okay, religious. There is no definite law. But in formal means government mainly. It has definite law, legislations to control the society. Informal means are, as we had been learned, that belief, social suggestions, ideology, folkways, customs. So these are the familial and religious level of social control. Then religion, arts and literature, humor, public opinion. Then formal means education, law, cohesion, economic, political, and others. Then industrial, technology, norms, values, fashion, etc. The detail going on. Education and social control, detail. This question may be asked in 5 mark. Okay, students? Meaning, term education derived from Latin, educare, which means bring forth. Look at this picture's definition. Education is a process of transmitting knowledge of social behavior from generation to generation, according to Emil Durkheim. Keywords should be keep it to your mind. Transmitting knowledge. Methods are forms of education: familial, ancient, formal. So nowadays we have been in modern educations. What are types of modern education? Look at this. System of formal modern education: preschool, primary, secondary, higher secondary, adult. So nowadays new educational policy, now last week our government launched a new educational policy. Add one more, this system of formal education. It started from the age of 3. So keep important words. Okay, primary means in the school level. Preschool means, primary means 1 to 5. Secondary, higher secondary means 11th and 12th, like this. Adult means college. Then alternative education. Alternative means instead of one knowledge to another knowledge or another skill. Then indigenous education. Learn about their own culture, own technology, indigenous technology. Then objectives and importance. First objective, socialization, as we had been learned in second unit. The socialization is fulfilled by the process of learning. Then transmission of cultural heritage. Then social adjustment, influence other social organization. Students, the education largely influence other social organization or institutions. For example, education control the families. Education has to control the economic institutions. It's also impact on political institutions. And political organizations. So it has been influence. Then agent of social control. So as we had been discussed that the society, the education have been control every aspect of people, including familial, religious, economical, and political. Then modern education, two types: vocational, liberal. Vocational means job oriented, skill. Liberal means arts and arts. Then modern education is secular. There is no religion involved. Every individual rights to learn. Learning, education is a fundamental right and democratic. Problems in modern education. Dynamic modern society. Students changes. Just imagine, just 10 years back or 5 years back, there is no technology. We don't know about mobile phones, having but not well, as well as computer technology. Nowadays change. So need to change, create the problems. So modern nursing as well as need modern curriculum. Then upset the traditional system. So which is important one, some traditional habits may gone away. That habit may be good for people. Next is that mass education is not job oriented. Everybody educated, but there is no job. Reason is that the people do not choose job oriented learning. Then academic autonomy has problem of mismanagement. Students nowadays in modern colleges, mismanagement, faculty mismanagement, financial mismanagement. So these are the issues in modern education. So need to control by look at this. So next, religion and social control. Look at this picture. Is religion control the society? Question. Yes or no? Students.
Sometimes yes, sir. Sometimes no.
Why?
In some places, religion have major role in society or in social control.
Yes. Good answer. Yes. Religion have been informally control the people. Belief is a fundamental for every individual. This mind is a culture. So it has been control individual behavior, including dressing code, and behaviors, food habits, as well as their ideologies, thought, their feelings, their perception. So the religion systematically control individual behavior as well as social control. Then define religion. A belief in powers superior to man, or believed to direct, control the course of nature of human life. As we had been discussed, the lifestyle determined by the religion of a person or religion of a family. Etc. So key words should be keep in your mind: belief, powers superior to man, control human life. Elements, it is a belief, sacred, specific set of practices. Sacred means purifications. You know, every religion aim to purify individual life. Practice means worship. For example, Christians, they do not use any material, only pray to God, worship. Then practice. For example, Hindu religion use lot of materials to worship to God, specific set of practice. Then motivates the people the right way to live. Students, this is an important character. Every religion teach moral teaching, how to living in this society, how to live in right way. Then social functions of religion, we will be learn next class. Okay, now time is going to questions. Questioning time.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any question, please?
Yes,
General
sir.
questions. Yes, ask to me.
Yes, sir. In social institution, I have a doubt,
Okay, ask me.
sir.
Yes.
In social institution, have a lot of functions, sir.
Yes.
In second function, in providing the legitimate use of power. What is the
Yes.
meaning of the providing the legitimate use of powers?
Yes, excellent question. Power means power use to
Yes,
legally.
sir. Power
Power
use.
used by legally or law.
Legally. Okay, sir.
Okay. For example, individual cannot take any decision their
Okay,
own way.
sir.
Only concerning the law. Law what say? For example, Prime Minister of India. What are the power and function of Prime Minister of
Yes,
India?
sir.
Maria?
To control the society and its power.
Yes,
Yes,
which
sir.
is
To control the
yes,
society and its power, sir.
which is defined by Constitution, which is called as
Yes,
legitimate
sir.
power. Clear about it? Clear about?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.